what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing another bikini.
Transparent dresses. Let's get started. Very transparent, and I really like how it looks. I like how it fits. This is a very comfortable and stylish. It has gotten so comfortable and pleasant for the body. It is not tight. Fabric is lightweight.